Siddhanta Saraswati Vijayate Gauriya Goshtipati Bande Guru Padadandam Bhakta Binda Samanitam Sri Chaitanya Prabhum Bande Nityananda Sahoditam Sri Nandanandanang Bande Radhika Charanodayam Gopijano Samayuktam Bindavanam Manohar Vancha Kalpataruvasya Kipa Sindhu Pevacha Patitanang Pavane Vaishnavibhyo Namo Namaha Mukhaṁ Karoti Vachalam Pangum Langhayati Girim Yat Kipatamahang Vande Paramananda Madhavam Vrindavan Tulsidev Vai Piya Vai Kesava Sacha Sna Bhakti Pade Devi Sattvatvai Namo Namaha Narayana Namaskritta Naram Jaiva Narottamam Deving Saraswati Vyasam Tato Jayo Mudira Sankirtane Krishna Kathopadesha Gauri Patrasya Prakasanecha Sadhanurakta Guru Bhakti Yukta Bhakti Pramodaksha Jagod Varun Dheyam Sada Paribhavagna Bhavishwadoham Tethas Padam Siva Virinjanutam Saranam Vitatiham Panutopal Bhavadiputam Bande Mahapurusati Charana Ravindam Yat Pada Pallavanaka Chandamani Chataya Vispurujita Kimapiga Bhavadu Swadarsi Purnanuragara Sasagara Sarmurti Saradhika Mai Kada Kipam Karas Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhaktavid Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhaktavid Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Ajanulambita bhujau kanaka bodhato Sankirtanai kapitaro kamala hyataksho Vishambaro Vijavaro Jugadhar Mupalo Bande Jagat Priyakaro Karuna Bhataro Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Namami Gange Tava Pad Pankajam Surasurairvandito Dibbarupam Bhuktin cha muktin cha dada sinitam Bhavanurupena sada narana Ganga taranga ramaniya jata kalapam Gauri nirantara vibhushi tabam bhagam Narayano priyamanangamadapaharam Varanasi Purapati Bhajavi Shanatham Vagisha Jusha Vadane Lakshmir Jasa Cha Bhakshasi Jasyaste Hidaya Sambhit Tvam Nishingamaham Bhaji Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Bhiddate hidaya ganti chiddante sarva samsaya khiyante jasva karman drishtanevat manishwari Bhiddate hidaya ganti chiddante sarva samsaya khiyante jasva karman drishtanevat manishwari Gauriya Goshtipati Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that for only one mistake in our life, whole calculation of our life become useless. Our life become failure. Gauriya Goshtipati, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that due to one single mistake in our life, due to our single mistake in our life, one mistake. What is that mistake? Who am I? This calculation, there is mistake. That's why our whole life become failure. All different kind of countless problem taking place, fighting, all for one reason. That is, who am I? If we can realize who am I, then all problem can be solved. Actually, yesterday in Bengali Katha I was speaking, according to Vedanta Sutta, Athata Brahma Jigyasa, according to Bhagavatam, Athata Tattva Jigyasa, all this kind of, Atma Jigyasa, self-inquiry, must be there. If there is no self-inquiry in your life, then there is no question of Haribhajan. Haribhajan cannot start even. If there is no self-inquiry, no self-interrogation, then we cannot start our bhajan. Surely cannot do Haribhajan. Not possible. Who am I? Actually, as per grammatical Bengali or Sanskrit grammatical calculation, you can see that I and me, this word. These two words is very important for us. All the time we are busy with material thing, my, I and my, this kind of thing. There is one point there, what is called Atma. About Atma, there is one question, I. So about this Atma, we can say first person singular number. This we say. This is the first person singular number. We are using this factor all the time. And we don't want to understand anything except me and mine. All material thing, absorbingly. We are there, self. When Vidyate hidaya ganthi chiddante sarva samsaya. All countless doubts and suspicion can be there, but all can go away, we can break. Vidyate mane, or there is an anartha, different kind of anartha, different kinds of anartha there, actually. Different kind of anarthas are there. So if anarthas are gone, then and only then we can start Haribhajan, not before that. Vidyate mane, we can rapture what Bhaktivinoda Thakur wrote in Kirtan. If there is Harinam, actual Harinam, appearing inside our heart, Bhaktivinoda Thakur writing in Kirtan, Ishad Bikoshipuno, Dekhai Nijo Rupaguno, Chitto Hari Loy Nijopad. And in other, this Kirtan is written that Lingo Bhango Hoy Anahasi. Lingo Bhango, Lingo mean Lingo Bhango Hoy Anahasi. Lingo means actually subtle body, fine body. Lingo means actually fine body. Man, Buddhi, Chitta, Ahankar, four constituent there. Man, mind, intellect, man, Buddhi, Chitta, heart, and Ahankar, false ego. If Harinam appearing inside your heart, immediately Lingo Bhango Hai Anasi. Immediately Lingo, I mean subtle body, what is called in Bengali and Sanskrit, Karan Sarir. The reason for why we are traveling for infinity period. The reason for why we are traveling for infinity period, that Linga Sarir can rapture, break, and we can grip. Ahamita, mamata, different kind of problem are there, anartha, ahamita, mamata, all different kind of going to lock us. In this material body, there is locking. We are within this body and we cannot go out of this body. No feeling cannot cut. This kind of problem, I mean, vidyate hidayaganti chiddante sarva sangsaya. All different kind of doubts and suspicions, everything can go when there is tattva darshan. When there is tattva darshan, when we can face with tattva, face to face, we can see, all problem can over. Tattva darshan means indirect Bhagavad darshan. If tattva darshan is there, that is called indirect Bhagavad darshan. Direct Bhagavad darshan can be possible. So vidyate hidayaganti siddhante sarva sangsaya khiyante cha asya karmani, all for infinity period. For infinity period, our karma, one karma going to create another karma going to create another karma. This way karma, one by one, chain-wise going on. Narottam Thakur writing in Kirtan, karma bandho, gyan bandho, karma bandho, gyan bandho, abeshe manavo andho. Abesh is one kind of abesh. Like when ghost entering into my body, I cannot realize who am I. Is going to overpower my body, mind, everything. This way, vidyate hidayaganti siddhanti sarva sangsaya kyanti cha asya karmani anadi karma phale paribhavar navajale tarivare na dekhiva. Karma is anadi. For infinity period, karma going on, but still we can cut karma. One karma going to make another karma. Another karma going to create another karma. This way, karma kando, Prabhupada used to say, karma kando means abhakti. Karma kando, you can go on doing karma kando, but for infinity period, you cannot find any solution. Never you can find. One karma can give another karma, all bondage going on. So, we will have to cut all our karma, though karma is anadi, but still we can stop the cycle of karma. Though karma is anadi, we know, but still we can stop the cycle of karma by Hari Bhajan, nothing else. Bhagavan Sri Krishna giving answer to Uddhavji Maharaj. Yesterday I was discussing, Uddhav asking to Bhagavan Sri Krishna, Vadanti Krishna Seyangsi Bahuni Brahmavadinaha Tesham Vikalpo Pradhanyam Uto Aho Eka Mukkhata. Different kind of Brahmavidna, yeah, Brahmavadinaha. Brahmavid means who has direct realization about Brahma. A Brahmavadi means only who can speak about Brahma Tattva. Only who can speak about Brahma Tattva, feeling is not there. Feeling can be there, not final. That is called Brahmavadinaha. Or Brahmavid means who is having direct relation about that Brahma. So, Vadanti, Krishna, Sriyangsi about Mangal. About Mangal, different kind of definition you can get from different kind of sadhu, kormi, gyani, all different kind. Karma jog, gyan jog. Some of them can speak, you can attain Mangal this way. Some of them can see this way you can get Mangal. Like I already told the case of Sukdev Goswami, where before coming Sukdev Goswami, Parikshit Maharaj, in front of Parikshit Maharaj, all different yogi, gyanis, maharshis, all they gathered there, and Parikshit Maharaj asking about Mangal, but there, each one of them speaking this way. When finally Sukdev Goswami reaching, then after all problem is over. Sukdev Goswami speaking that you need not do anything, only you go on hearing Bhagavad Katha, Hari Katha. Bhagavad is no other than Krishna himself. So you go on hearing Bhagavad Katha, it can give absolute Mangal. Or if you like to get partial Mangal, that you can get partial Mangal. Or even Mangal you are getting, from that Mangal, Amangal can rise. That about Gauranga Mahaprabhu, Sarup Gosai told, Bhuyad Amandodaya. Bhuyad Amandodaya. Somebody going to give Mangal, but out of that Mangal, Amangal can arise. So what use? No use. So, Uddhavji Maharaj asking, different kind of conception is there about Mangal. So I can give importance to each one of them or any speciality there. Vadanti Krishna Sriyangsi Bahuni Brahmavadinaha Tesham Vikalpo Pradhanyam Uto Ekamukkhata. Yesterday I told already, Bhavato Udahitaha Swaming Bhakti Yoga Anapekshitaha. About Bhakti Yoga, I already heard from you, you already told. Bhakti Yoga is completely neutral. Bhakti Devi standing on completely or absolutely neutral platform. Bhakti Devi is not going to depend upon anything. Bhakti Devi is not going to depend upon anything. How much knowledge you have, and what is your, money power you have, whatever you have, yogic power, anything, mysterious power you have. Bhakti Yoga, Bhakti Devi is not going to depend upon anything. Bhakti Devi is standing completely on neutral platform. Even we can say, those who are yogi, those who are jnani, those who are following karma yoga, Gyan Yoga, Dhyan Yoga, they are bound to take shelter of bhakti little bit. Yogi not taking shelter of bhakti. Bhakti means seva. They are not. But anyway, they are bound to take shelter of bhakti little bit. If they are not going to take shelter of bhakti a little bit, then they cannot get yogic siddhi, Gyan siddhi, nothing. What I mean to say, whatever siddhi there, whatever, wherever, all siddhi can give result if you are going to take shelter of bhakti little bit. If not at all, then that Gyan, that yoga cannot give any siddhi. So, Uddhavji Maharaj speaking, Bhavato, you already told that bhakti is neutral. By the help of bhakti, we can get Bhagavan. Bhakti. Bhakti re noivo niyate bhakti ivam darshayati ityadi sloka there. Bhavato udahitaha swaming bhakti yogo anapikshitaha nirasya sarvataha sangam jeno toi abhishet manaha. By leaving all different kind of association, material association, semi-material association, not fully at some mixing. So, nirasya means by leaving, throwing away. Nirasya sarvataha sango. What Devahuti, mother of Kapil Muni, already told that by the association of this association, gradually I am going down and down by this material association, all around. Because without association you cannot, anyhow, association must be there. Even dog, cats, the association there. Without association, nobody can live. But association can be material association, or association can be a prakriti association, that is different. So, nirasya sarvataha sangyam jeno toi abhishet manaha. You told that by the kripa of bhakti, we can leave all different kind of association whatsoever, and we can concentrate our mind onto your lotus feet. Sangyam jeno toi abhishet manaha. Our mind can enter into your lotus feet, onto your lotus feet. So there Kopilji Maharaj told, when Devahuti wanted to ask this question, that I am now already put into very dangerous situation. Day by day I am going down. Day at day I am going to enter into the Tamagun, Narak. Then Kopilji Maharaj told, Kopilji Maharaj wanted to advise, okay, association must be there, but Sango ja sangsiter hetoho asasya vihito dhiya sa evo sadhusu kritaha. You can say Mukhyadaram Apabritam from 2 slok, one slok I cut, and it's very good to understand. Sango jo sangsiter heto asasya vihito dhiya sa evo sadhusu kritaha nishangataya kalpat. Originally slok is nishangataya kalpat. Nishanga mean material association cannot be there. Totally you are off. What kind of association, what you are doing, that 100% can create problem in your life. Sango jo sangsiter hetu. It can create sangsar. It can create sangsar inside you, and you can discover yourself in more and more bondage condition. So sango jo sangsiter hetoho, it is the cause of sangsar. Actually by Sarup we have no sangsar. If we discover our own Sarup, then you cannot find any sangsar there. Nirmal, pure Atma, no attachment, nothing. Nothing, no problem. But due to Maya, we discover our sangsar. If we can discover our pure Sarup, absolute Sarup, then there is no question of any sangsar. Sangsar is only one kind of imaginary thing. Jivatma, due to Maya, thinking, my bondage, my room, my family, everything, this kind of magic spell. Sangsar actually not there. By Sarup there is no sangsar. So, Kopilji Maharaj speaking, this kind of Sangha going to create problem in your life, this kind of association going to create sangsar in your life. But same Sangha you will have to do, but if you can do Sangha with Guru Vaishnava, Suddha Guru Vaishnava, but if you can do association with pure Guru Vaishnava, then that can make you free from the association of material nature. Totally free. Sato Rajo Tama Gun cannot touch you. So, Uddhavji Maharaj speaking, you already told about Bhakti Yoga, by the help of which we can live, we can cut all different association, and easily our mind can enter onto your lotus feet. So, I like to know all about it. Uddhavji Maharaj speaking, I like to know, because this question, all different sadhu, muni rishis giving different kind of advice. Should I give importance to each one of them, or any special advice? Asking question. Now Bhagavan speaking, in course of time factor, those who are realized soul, those who are tattvavid, if they think about time, they go mad. They become puzzled. What is time? Actually, present tense, if you calculate, there is no present tense. Almost no present tense. Because present tense, if I speak present tense, P-R-E-S-E-N-T, present, bole, when I speak P, immediately P gone in the chapter of past. Present, even one word if I utter present, for speaking this word, you need some time. First of all, you can see pre, R-E-S-E-N-T. So when you speak P, immediately P gone into the chapter of past. R gone. S gone, everything. So present, what do you mean by present? What do you mean? We are, if somebody is speaking, where you are living? At present, I am living in Mayapur, you can say. But if you calculate this way, how present, we are just thinking present conception, whatever comes extended form. Actually, present is there, but is almost nothing. If you speak, then element is gone. So as per Panini, if one word useful word, I am speaking, which is going to imply some meaning. But how is possible when I utter one word, then all combination of words are there, syllable there. One syllable gone. How overall meaning coming? Panini speaking, one rishi who make Bhakaran, Sanskrit Bhakaran. Panini speaking, there is a spotobad. How one word can make sense inside your heart. It's called a spotobad. Very dangerous. So this way, Bhagavan Sri Krishna speaking, in course of time, kalena nasta pralaye bai baniyam veda sangita. Kalena nasta pralaye baniyam veda sangita. What is called Vedic knowledge, in course of time, gradually all lost. Kalena nasta pralaye baniyam veda sangita. And I already told to Brahma, because you find Brahma Sangita, and Bhagavad also, second canto, third canto, you find Brahma discover himself sitting on a lotus flower, sprout coming out from the navel portion of Garbhoda Gosai Vishnu. After that, Brahma thinking, who am I? Where from I am coming? Cannot understand. Going down in the stem to check out what is the origin of my birth, coming middle, coming up, going down and up, cannot trace out the reason. Who am I, where from coming, what is my duty? And immediately after that, when Brahma is fed up, then one aerial voice came, tapa, tapa, tapa. And the sense was clarified inside her. Otherwise, if Bhagavan not going to clarify inside your heart, one beast and bird, sometime we train, they don't understand language, but they become habituated. If you give indication, the dog running. How? Bird also. This way, somehow they can understand the sense. I mean the meaning, what you mean to say. Bhagavan speaking, I myself already told this dharma which is related to my sarup, Bhagavad Dharma. That I already told to Brahma. Kaleno nasta pralaye vaniyam veda sangita mayado brahmane prakta. I already told to Brahma, dharmo yasyam madatmakaha. That dharma, that advice, dharma, tattva, what I told to Brahma, that is actually madatmakaha, arthat bhagavat tattva, that I told. Madatmaka means bhagavat tattva, about my tattva, I already told. And then Brahma wanted to grasp all those points by my mercy, because in Chatu Sloki Bhagavata already Brahma told, Bhagavan already told to Brahma, already Bhagavan told to Brahma, that this way, who am I, what is my desire, aprakrita desire, how my heart, what I want to do, all you can realize by my Kripa. So what I told, 4 sloka, first 2 sloka, Jnanam Paramam Guhyam Me Yad Vijnana Samanditam Sarahasam Tadangancha Jnana Guhitam. And the second one is Yavanaham Yatha Bhava Yad Rupa Guna Karmakaha Tathaiva Tattva Vijnanam Astute Madanugraha. How, who am I, what is my mood, what I want to do, all you can know. Javanaham yatha bhava yadrupa guna karmakaha tathaiva vijnanam astute madanugrahat. By my mercy, you can develop all tattva jnana, everything, automatically. Without my kripa, if you play your brain, you cannot understand. Without my kripa, if you can go on thinking, if you can go on playing your head, you cannot understand. So, Brahma could realize. After that, it was the blessing of Bhagavan to Brahma. Bhagavan giving instruction to Brahma for subjective creation here in the material world. After that, Bhagavan speaking, don't think by doing this kind of creation. Creation means rajasic. Creation means rajasic, most of the thing. So Bhagavan speaking, you may think by this kind of activity, creation, srishti, I can develop rajagun, I will be in great trouble. How I can go out of this problem? Bhagavan speaking, well, no. My blessing is there. By my blessing, even after doing this kind of creation seva, there can be no bondage in you. Etat matam samatishto parameno samadhina bhavan kalpa vikalpesu na vimuyati karishi. Etat matam samatishto. The way I am giving you advice I am giving to you, no? So whatever advice I am giving to you, you get established in all this advice. Try to digest. So, etat matam samadhisto parameno samadhina. With deep meditation, you will digest what all advice given by me, then there can be no bondage in your life. There can be no bondage in your life. So, Bhagavan told, by my mercy, there is no bondage. Now, Brahma, even after doing creation, Brahma is our previous guru. Brahma is our guru, na? Krishna is the Chaturmukh, Hare Krishna, Sevanmukh, Brahma is the Narasimha. So Bhagavan Sri Krishna already gave advice. Even Brahman, Skat Sanskar, Upavit Sanskar, Dija Sanskar, after that, Gayatri Mantra, Brahma was initiated by Bhagavan. And Brahma also wanted to give it, because if you are not going to pass on your knowledge or your experience to others, how our new generation can learn? Like present condition. Almost stagnant condition. Stagnant, all choked up. Nobody like to allow the knowledge, this, pure bhakti to run. And of course we know it can never be choked up. It can never be destroyed. Prabhupada already told. Bhakti Vinod Dhara can never be destroyed. Somehow it can, but you cannot discover outside. So then Brahma wanted to give to his son, Teno Praktacha Putrayo Manobe Purvajayasa Tato Bhrigvadayo Agrinnan Sapta Brahmar Sayuhu. First of all, Brahma wanted to give to his son Manu. Tato, after that, Bhrigvadayo, Bhrigu, Adi, all rishis, Sapta Brahmar Sayo, 7 Brahmarshis, they all received all this tattva. After that, Tebhyo, Pritibhyo, Tebho, here it is written, Tebhyo, Pritibhyo, Statputra, Devo Danavo Gujakaha, Manusaha, Siddho Gandharvaha, Sa Vidyadharo Charanaha. Arthat, from them, gradually in course of time, from then, Arthat Brahma speaking to Manu, Manu giving to sub rishis. After that, Bhrigvadayu rishis, Saptarshi already they received. From them, Pitibhyo. After that, their son, grandson. After that, because Kashyap Muni, from Kashyap Muni, we can find demigods coming and demons coming from Kama. Diti and Aditi. Diti, she is the mother of all demons. I mean, if you go originally, Diti, Daitya. And Aditi is the mother of all demigods. And Diti is the mother of demons. This way originally from Kashyap. And still, if you go back, you can find the background, how creation came. All from Kashyap, all whatever, wherever, all over the world, all from Kashyap. Even birds, snake, whatever species, all from Kashyap coming. They are coming this way. So, Siddho, Gandharva, Vidyadhar, Charanaha, all in upper planets they are staying, upper Sarga. Bhurvasa, Mahajana, Tapusatto, they are so different kind of Siddh. Those who are Siddho, Vidyadhar, Charana, They are different plane there. They are staying there. King Devaha, Kinnara, Naga, Raksho, Kim Purushada Yoho, King Purush. They are special pieces of pran. Or King Deva, Kinnara, Deva Kinnor, we are speaking na, Nagaha, Abhavos Teisham, Prakitayo, Rajo Sattottamo Abhut. This way, all different species, creation went on in increasing order. Javir bhutani vidvante bhutanam patayos tatha yatha prakriti sarvesham chitta vachaha sravantihi. First of all, Bhagavan speaking, this way, this knowledge rolling down, but in course of, this way, this pure knowledge become contaminated. Somebody getting this, after he is going to speak, he is going to add something of his own, from his own mind. This way, all the original text is over. That's why repeatedly Prabhupada used to say, many times, if there is no Sauta Parampara, then we can also get lost. By chance there is Sauta Parampara, that's why still today appropriate exact knowledge can be possible, if my luck is good. If there is no Sauta Parampara, like in the case of Jesus Christ, there is no Sauta Parampara. Somebody taking, after that disruption, after that again something. So this way, all the, whatever teachings given by him, all distorted. All. Muhammad also. Who knows what Muhammad told? According to our own mind, you are going to combine. After that, there is no parampara. Only you believe it, blind belief. You have some blind belief. This way, Buddhist also, actually there is no Sautapantha. Only in our Bhagavad Dharma, somehow, those demons can try to destroy, Bhagavad Dharma, Parampara. But still they cannot do. So many, from Parsi, from Greek, from England, from Mongolia, different countries, from different places, time to time, all they came to attack India, to destroy their Bhagavad Dharma, time to time. Not one time. If you go through history, countless time. But anyway, they wanted to pressure on public to accept our Christian Dharma. You have to take. Muslim people, on the strength of sword, they have to take. If you are not going to accept, we can cut you. This way, gradually, different kind of Dharma coming in India. That is mixed. That is why mixed population. Mixed. This way, countless attack came. From Portugal means Spain. Here they came, wanted to take control of India. India is the richest place, even today. Even today, India is the richest place in the whole world. But you cannot see. Because due to lack of resource mobilization, you cannot find. You think America is the reason? No. America not reason. Simply because we are in backward condition. Only whatever property there in our Padmanabhan, one temple in South India, Padmanabhan temple. Whatever property you have, you can know. You have no idea. But nobody can steal. Nobody can see. If they can steal, then they have a big problem. Abar Ranganatham, Padmanabham, after that Tirupati, up hill, Tirupati Nath, Tirupati Balaji. Whatever property they have, if you know, you can go mad. Only one temple. And under the ground of Bharatvarsha, what is there? Nobody. That's why all people from outside wanted to attack India. So they wanted to change them, but they could not change. They wanted to destroy Bhagavad Dharma. They wanted to destroy I cannot say Hindu Dharma. Hindu Dharma is a very cheap term. Bhaktivinoda is Hindu, this word is originally you cannot find in Shastra. In the Kush hill, this side, in the Kush, whatever civilization was there, that they got their name Hindu. Or Bhaktivinoda is speaking, Bindu Sarovar or Hindu Kush Parvat, in between whatever sophisticated civilization. Somebody speaking Vindhyachal Parvat and Himalaya, in between there was a very sophisticated, high civilization. That is called Aryavarta. This way, they wanted to destroy our culture, they wanted to destroy our Bhagavad Dharma, Hindu Dharma, but they could not do. But Hindu Dharma never wanted to destroy Muslim Dharma. Hindu Dharma never wanted to destroy, Buddha Dharma, nothing. Because they have their enduring power. They can bear everything. They can allow you, you can do this way. So, this way, in gradual course of time, all different kind of contamination entered naturally. I can give you example. One Gurudev, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, he wanted to teach us. But why different kind of conception develop? Whereas his teaching is there, many of his writings and books, papers, all thrown into Ganga by the opponent party. Nayanananda Baba told me, Satyagovinda Baba told me, they are very aged. They gone from this world. They used to sit in front of me and speak all their past history. Past, all. They used to say. So all books and papers, countless writings, all they took in a boat, and they gone into Ganga, mid-Ganga, and they thrown. Mid-Ganga, and thrown into Ganga. Thrown. Nayananda Baba told, so many devotees told. But those who are antagonists, in the guise of, devotee, they like to subscribe them. They like to subscribe them. They like to prove they are great. Whereas each and every fraction of second, I can give evidence that they are not in line. But they want to prove this. I don't know what benefit they... Surely they can get benefit. Otherwise how? Now like political party. If you get some facility, then you can. So in course of time, Bhagavad Dharma, this way in course of time, it was almost lost. Nobody understands. Javir bhutani vidyante bhutanam patayos tatha yatha prakriti sarvesham chitra vachaha sravantihi. Different people, they had different kind of sanskar. Your sanskar is different, his sanskar is different, not same. Even twin brother, One brother become very dharmic, one brother become demon. Sanskar. Hidden sanskar, hidden, very hidden sanskar. That hidden sanskar is the reason for your character, at present whatever. For the diversified character, diversified behavior, everything. So this way, Yavir Bhutani Vidvante Bhutanam Patoyostatha Yatha Prakriti Sarvesham Chitra Vacha Sam. Different kind of mentality, different kind of talking, different kind of mood of talking, different kind of taste, all different kind. Develop this. Countless. All countless jivas, all they have all separate kind of taste, separate kind of sanskar. Even in devotional life, everybody not going to do bhakti unto a lotus feet of Bhagavan same way. That's why Bhayad Bhagavatamrita discussion took place, maybe more than 3 years. Yudhishthir Maharaj loved Krishna. Okay. Prahlad Maharaj loved Krishna. Bhagavan. Dhruva Maharaj loving. So everybody loving. Even in devotional life, different kind of taste. Not that all same. Not same. Prahlad Maharaj having different kind of bhakti. Kunti Devi having different kind of bhakti. Uttara, I mean the wife of Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu is the son of Arjun. All different. Even Panchapandav, Yudhishthira Maharaj have separate kind of mood of bhakti. They all love Krishna. Bhimsen, he loves Krishna. He loves Krishna. Arjun also. Nakul, Sahadev, they all. But have different kind of taste. Not same. So, Javir Bhutani Vidvante, why different kind of diversified attitude, move, behavior, everything visible? Why? What can be the reason? That is the reason. They have different sanskar. Already from Upanishad I told many times before. Virochan and Indra, both of them, wanted to approach Brihaspati, to learn Brahma Tattva. At a time they are hearing, at a time, both of them. But Brihaspati is speaking, they are hearing, but finally, due to different sanskar, Virochan developed different idea about Brahma Tattva, and whereas Arjun, what is it? Indra developed different. Why so? Why the same trees are there, mango tree, blackberry tree, coconut tree, all growing at the bank of same Ganga. Same Mayapur air flowing, same water they are sucking at the bank of Ganga. They are sucking from Ganga. But why they are giving blackberry? Why coconut trees, mango, all different. Why? Because the seed nature is different. Different nature of seed. All there. Long time Jeev Tattva was discussed. Jeev Tattva was discussed long time. In Corona period, all detailed discussion. Still today people are in confusion. They are putting Nitya Baddha. Why Nitya Baddha? Why Nitya Mukta? Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, I think in Shastra it is written. Nitya Baddha, why? Bhagavan has surely have some partiality. Why Bhagavan making? Why Bhagavan making this? Nitya Baddha, why? Bhaktivinoda was speaking, jivas as a whole can be categorized in two ways. Okay. It is for the Leela, Bhagavan doing it. I told that day, there is different kind of enzyme, acid, secretion taking place inside our belly. I mean, you don't know. You eating, but after that you don't know what is happening. You only eating. After that you don't know what is happening. Different kind of secretion coming. Some enzyme are going to help you digest sweet thing. Some enzyme coming out to digest bitter. Not all same. Going to help. Follow. Different kind of. So, from pancreas, one kind of juice coming from pancreas. That going to help you digest sugar. Sugar, my sweet thing. If all among them fighting taking place, why for all the time why I can get engaged in digesting sweet thing? Or somebody can say, some enzyme can start evolution. Why I can do? All the time bitter thing, why I can? If the bitter thing, why? Some chili, he can say, no, from tomorrow I can digest sweet thing. You can do this. Cannot. You handle Leela. In Vrindavan, 45, 60 years back, one incident happened. Some very dangerous political leader, very clever, he wanted to make confusion among people. Because Chaturvarna Maya system, Gunakarma Vibhagasa, it is you can ask Bhagavan, why 4 different kind of category Bhagavan making? Our Shastrakar, they are speaking to maintain the society in a very scientific way. To maintain the society in a very scientific way, Bhagavan was bound to categorize. Brahman due to this, Kshatriya due to this, Vaishya due to this, all categorically speaking. In Bhagavatam also, in Gita also, all giving, clearly. But if among themselves big agitation started, from tomorrow we cannot see. You can go and, like Shudra, you can clean road. That political leader wanted to make confusion in Vrindavan, platform speaker. He is going to collect all Shudra, low caste. So they are going to make fool of you. From tomorrow you can go to temple and you can say, Lord, Brahman, Pujaris, they can come out in the road to clean road, and we can go and enter into temple to clean, to do arsi. How possible? Is it possible? But they think they have big problem, almost big fire going to take place. Finally, there one big, dharmic, very pious man came and wanted to. One example, even what dog doing, that service you can expect from jackal. What dog doing, you cannot expect that kind of service from ass. You can expect donkey or ass. Because it has a special nature. There was one story in Vrindavan, one owner of the house, they have one donkey always going to market, loading and coming, and one dog is there giving chapati, dog is eating. So one day actually what happens, one group of thief came to steal, and dogs started barking. Because smell power is, dog is a very faithful animal. Smell started barking, and the owner of the house came out and started beating the dog. Why you are starting? We had this disturbance in our sleeping. He cannot understand, he is barking because he has seen something. Maybe he was intoxicated, otherwise why you cannot? After that again going sleeping. so much beating, dog become very disappointed. He say, okay, it's beating me, I cannot shout. Then, when not shouting, what happens? Thief coming and taking away everything. Taking away. If donkey going to shout, donkey, then what will happen? Nobody can understand the thief coming. Dog is barking. When there is any danger, then dog barking. So as surely it is not duty. So if donkeys, start barking, start shouting, then naturally nobody can understand. So in our society also, each one of us has our separate duties. Not that everybody can do same duties, according to nature. So, due to different kind of nature, they are developing different kind of mood, conception, behavior, etiquette, all changing. Yabhir bhutani vidyanti bhutanam patayos tatha yatha prakriti sarvesham chitra vachaha sravantihi. So, same Guru speaking, but Virochan could not understand Bhagavad Tattva, Brahma Tattva. Indra could realize something positive. Indra could realize something positive, not completely, but Virochan completely opposite. This same nature. So according to that. Now, Bhagavan Sri Krishna speaking, Evam prakriti vaichitrad vidyante matayo ninam. According to different kind of nature, so different people, they are developing their respective different mood. Evam prakriti vaichitrad vidyante matayo ninam. So all in their opinion, his opinion get deviated from his opinion get deviated from another. All opinion, different opinion. Those who are 100% inclined on the lotus feet of Sadguru, they cannot have different kind of opinion. Can? Cannot. My Guru Padma speaking this, you are speaking this. Totally diverse, totally different. Still idiot people cannot understand. What we can do? Gurudev told something, Prabhupada told something, you are speaking something which is unusual. But people going to believe them. They have money power. Money power is the best power today. So, evam prakriti vaichitrad vidyante matoyoninam. Some of them going to follow the track of Guru Padma Parampara, Paramparjena. It is written Paramparjena Kesanchit. Some of them, a few of them, started following Guru Parampara. They are not going to change. And whereas the other, they are going to change there. So exactly where Sauta Parampara is protected, it is my request, open request to all the devotees all over the world, even those who are going to become devotees. It is my request that they first of all, they should discover the line they like to follow is exactly Bhagavad Parampara line or derailed. Otherwise, you can spoil your life. Otherwise, you can simply spoil your life. Nothing will go and come to me. Paramparjena, you will have to make sure that whatever procedure you like to follow, from somebody, make sure that it has link with the previous Guru Varga. If not so, It is my request, don't follow. You can simply lose your life. Nobody understands basic thing. So, evam prakriti vaichitrad vidyante matayo ninam, all the opinions of different people become different kind. Some of them by chance, some of them following the same track, paramparjeno, Bhagavad Parampara or Mantra Parampara system, Sautapantha. And yet other, they are going to follow Pasanna Matayo. Pasanna means heartless. Pasanna means heartless. Heartless means Vishwanath Chakravarti explaining what do you mean by heartless? What do you mean by heartless? What do you mean by heartless? Vishwanath Chakravarti in his commentary writing, they are heartless, they are know it for sure, they are heartless, those who had some faith in Guru Vaishnava. Previously, they had some faith in Guru Vaishnava. Later on, in course of their so-called bhajan, devotional life, they are committing offense, money, position, everything, they become heartless. No belief in pure Guru Vaishnava. They like to kill pure Guru Vaishnava. They become heartless. I can give so many examples. You heard the name of Kalapahar, heard the name of Kalapahar, Black Hills in name. Kalapahar was from a very nice Brahmin family. Very nice. High-class Brahmin family. He had faith in Guru Vaishnava, Bhagavan. He used to do everything. Everything. But someday, due to some reason, I am not going in details, someday, due to some reason, he lost faith in Guru Vaishnava, Bhagavan. Lost. From then onward, maybe some bitter feeling was there. One or two examples I can give. If you go to, I went when I was in 7th class, 6 or 7, small boy. My father and uncle, we went with water here, walking long distance, going to give water to Shivji Maharaj in Amit Tarakeshwar, who came in dream of Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Why you have taken decision to go to Vrindavan? Your Govardhan is there, that Tarakeshwar. Tarakeshwar is Sadasi, not ordinary Shiv. In the way of Tarakeshwar, there is one place. There is one place. That place is Dakat Kali. One name? Dakat Kali. One rover, big dacoit. He established one Kali Murti, very famous. Very famous. Have some incident that I speak. That is maybe 2 or 5 kilometers, 2 or 3 kilometers before Tarakeshwar. If I finally reach Tarakeshwar, before the 4 kilometers before, Dakat Kali. The name of that dacoit was Madhav. His name was Madhav. He was a great Brahmin family. He used to recite Shastra, all knowledge, everything. Very nice. He was very Brahman. But regarding his bhakti, I have no information how much bhakti he had. But anyway, they were very nice. He used to recite Shastra, everything. One day, he used to sit there, read everything, Shastra, Madhukuri, doing bhajan, trying. One day, one group of dacoits came, and in front of him, they take away wife, all torture, different kind of problem. All property is taken away, wife was abducted by these dacoits. After that, he becomes so ferocious that from then onward, he took decision. Those who are dacoits, I can catch them and bring them in front of Kali, I can cut them. The man was Brahman, very nice man, soft. But after this incident, he became very crazy. Then onward, minimum 108 dacoits. Thief, dacoits he catch. He established one Kali Murti in front of Kali. He used to cut, throw. This way. This way, that become Dakar. Raja Ram Mohan Rai also. He is from a very nice family. Raja Ram Mohan Rai. He also become heartless. Heartless. He don't believe. Gauranga, even Bhagavatam. So father used to kick him out. Father kicked him out. You go out. Father is father. This way, many such incidents you can see. Previously, they had bhakti, a little bit bhakti inside the heart. Later on, Kalapahar took resolution to break all important temples. Even he went to break Jagannath temple. All. In Vrindavan, all temple. He took the help of Muslim king Aurangzeb. He took the help of Muslim king Aurangzeb with full artillery, wanted to break all temples itself, devastated, all broken. He became heartless. So merciless, that even if you cannot find one single example like him. But previously was. We cannot give this example of our Ajamil, because Ajamil case was little bit different. Ajamil case was little bit different. Ajamil had bhakti, but after that he was weak, fall down, also became heartless. Almost same. This way, evam prakriti vaichitrad, due to different kind of nature, due to different kind of natures, people, they develop different kind of idea, belief, everything. Some of them started following the same parampara, yet most of the people, they started following Pashanno Matayu Apare. Pashanno Matayu Apare. This way, they started following heartless rules and regulations. Then Bhagavan speaking, Manmayaya mohito dhiyaha purushar sabo sreyo badanti anekantyam yatha karmo yatha ruchi. This way, different kind of people, according to the sanskar, they're going to find different kind of meaning of Mangal. Follow. Like the case of Parikshit Maharaj. This is speaking, you do it. This is you can, no, you can do it. He says, no, they can do it. This way. So, Bhagavan speaking, they are hypnotized. Bhagavan Sri Krishna speaking, they are just hypnotized. They are just hypnotized by my Maya. Bhagavan speaking. Manamayaya mohito dhiyaha. They are just hypnotized by the magic spell of my Maya, Purushaha, Purusharsava, according to their doership, false, I have done, They are going to explain about Mangal. He is explaining this way, he is explaining this way, he is explaining this way, all different. Man maya mohito dhiya. Man maya mohito dhiya. Man maya mohito dhiya. Man maya mohito dhiya. Purushar sabha sreyo badanti anekantyam yatha karmo yatha ruchi. According to their different taste and sanskar, they are going to pass remark, Mangal, this way you can get, this way, all different kind of remarks they are going to. Some of them speaking wrong definition, dharmam eke, some are saying dharma. That even dharma speaking, but that dharma is not absolute dharma. Some of them going to give him, hey, try to follow dharma, but they have no idea what is actual dharma. General conception of dharma. Actually, dharma, I was speaking yesterday Bengali Katha, dharma, according to Sanskrit grammar, if you split up, then you can find, if you can grasp, if you can tightly hold on, by holding which you can cross over this material ocean very easily, that is called dharma. But that is only Bhagavad Dharma. All other dharma not like that. Other dharma can send you up to heaven. It's okay. You have done good, you can be sent to heaven. But after that, even after going to heaven, you'll have to come down. Bhagavan Sri Krishna speaking, Chine punye matto lokum vishanti. When your pious activity, result of your pious activity is over, then again you will have to fall down here. Khine punya mattulakam vishanti. So, dharma is a general conception. Dharma is a general, like karma kanda. Like karma kanda people, they thinking dharma. Doing this dharma, doing this dharma, doing this. A general conception, dharma. So, it is not actually dharma. Dharma relating to your Atma is only Bhagavad. The dharma which has direct link with your Atma, I mean your existence. Body can go away. It is not real existence. So, it is said that dharmam eke, somebody giving inspiration to somebody, hey, you follow dharma. Like Ramkrishna and other two boys, they meet with Narottama Thakur. Narottama Thakur, their father is Sivananda Bhattacharya, big Brahman, they think, they like to buy buffalo from market to sacrifice in front of Durga. Someday I can speak. That two Brahman, two brothers, were converted into Vaishnava by Narottama Thakur. Follow. They think dharma. They think it is dharma. So, dharmam eke, some of them thinking it is dharma. Jasoschani, something you can do some good activities, you can earn name and fame. Someone say, no. You can go on fulfilling your own desire. Kama, go on enjoying kama. Like one Rishi, Charvak Rishi. One Rishi, his name is Charvak. He is speaking, there, no Bhagavan, nothing. Who told? You enjoy your life. Charvak, his name is Charvak. He is speaking, no problem. You go on enjoying your life. That is the final. Even if you have no money to buy ghee, clarified butter, then you can take loan and try to take care of your body, healthy, very nice, enjoy your life. Because, and then I will have to pay back the loan. No, who can pay back? If we are going to die, who can take loan from whom and who can pay? That's why Charvak Rishi is speaking. Charvak Rishi, it is a doctrine of Charvak Rishi. It is materialistic. He is speaking, Javat jivet sukham jivet. So long you are going to live with full enthusiasm mood. Very nice. Take care of your body. Javat jivet sukham jivet. Rinam kitva ghitam pivet. You can take loan and buy ghee and enjoy your life. Because I have to pay back. Who can pay whom? Because when you are going to die, then they can go to crematorium ground, they can burn your body. Where from? How you can pay back? So, Charvak Rishi is speaking, that anyway you take care of your body. Don't pay attention to anything. All useless. Javat jivet sukham jivet, rinam kritva gitam pibet, bhashmi bhutasya dehosya, punaragamanam kuta. If your body is burnt up already, who can pay loan back to whom? So no problem, you take loan and go on. This way, it is written, Jan Bhagavan speaking, mat maya mohito dhiyaha purushaha purusharsava sriyo vadanti anekantyam yatha karmo yatha ruchi. Dharmam eke jasascha anne kamam satyam damam samam anne vadanti swartham va oisarjyam tago bhojanam. That I can explain tomorrow, the time is over. Anyway, up to 9 you can say, or 10, up to 10. So, vidyate hidaya ganthi chiddante sarva sangsaya kiyante chasya karmani drishtanevat manishwari vanchakalpadurasike pasindu patitanam pavan vaishnavyo